Insane in the Brain. It's Monday. It's the name of the song. It's by Cypress Hill. Gotta love rap sometimes, you know what I mean? They say what they gotta say from the soul. Sometimes I don't agree with a lot of stuff they say, but, you know what I mean? Still, there's some really good rappers out there. Right away this morning, go to convenience store. Sure enough, I'm pulling in. Guy's trying to get out his door next to my car, so I let him nicely get out of his door. He looks at me and goes, "What are you waiting for?" What am I waiting for? I was being respectful to you. You understand? I was like, "Okay, asshole, for that, roll down the window, take a walk." You know what I mean? Oh my God. Insane in the brain. The people who give a fuck, buddy, are over there. Because I don't. It's Monday. Gotta be insane in the brain. Get her done. Understand? Okay. Have a good day. I'll be back later. Maybe I'll do a bat dance. Aw, shit. Insane in the brain. And remember to do the bounce. And then a pow at the end. Oh, yeah. Gotta love life.